When I turn on my laptop, then I have got this problem, no boot device available. Okay, let's fix it. Welcome to Tech. Keep supporting me. Check the boot menu from the BIOS menu, whether it is legacy or UEFI. To do so, press F2 or Del key from the keyboard. First turn on your computer, then after, press F2 or Del key from the keyboard. I'm just doing so. Okay, I have turned on my laptop, then after I'm pressing F2 key to enter the BIOS menu of the laptop. Okay, then after I'm going to the boot sequence, then after I'm going to check whether it is selected legacy or UEFI. Okay, if your device support legacy, then change it to the legacy. Okay, then the problem will be solved. Okay, then after check your hard disk drive. Okay, it's shown or not. Okay, then after checking your hard disk, then after you can find their apply option, then click the apply. Then after check that save as custom user setting, then click OK. Then after click exit. Then after your PC will restart automatically. Okay, if this problem couldn't solve, then after try next method. Okay, number 2 solution is that check your hard disk drive are shown on BIOS menu or not. Then after if you have inserted any external SSD drive in your computer or laptop, then after remove that. Okay, then after try to restart your computer is fixed or not. Okay, now here I am checking my hard disk drive, it is shown or not. Okay, you can check it from your BIOS menu in setup configuration. Okay, I have installed here 256 SSD drive, and you can find out there it is showing there. Okay, you can see, and now in my case it is okay. Then after I'm going to exit there. Okay, you can try this like this. Okay, after doing this, if the problem is solved, then let me know. If problem is not solved, then after what to do is you have to go to another process. Okay, maybe there the hard disk, if hard disk is not showing there in your computer, then after it may be the fault of your hard disk. Okay, hard disk may be crashed, or this problem can be occurred because of your OS. Okay, when OS files are corrupted, then after this problem may occur in your computer, laptop. Okay, if the problem couldn't solve, then after you can install the new OS on your hard disk, or you can restore from the startup repair menu. Okay, friends, thanks for watching. If this video solved your problem, then let me know. If not, then also let me know. Okay, and if you like my videos, then please support me, sharing, comment. Okay, love it. See you next video. Bye.